Welcome back, learners. In this video, we will be continuing exercise 14.2 of chapter 14, Extents and Powers. You can see, prior to question number 3, we have been given these problems are based on law 3. Law 3 is a raised to m, the whole raised to n. In this case, when the power of power is given for a single number, both the powers will get multiplied. A raised to m into n. So question number 3 is simplify and write the answers in exponential form. Part 1 is 3 raised to 4 whole raised to 5. The powers will get multiplied. 4 into 5, 4 5 is 20. So it will be replaced by 3 raised to 20. Using law a raised to m, the whole raised to n, that is equal to a raised to mn. I have replaced 3 raised to 4, the whole raised to 5. It can be written as 3 raised to 4 into 5 or 3 raised to 4 5 is 20. The format of all the parts will remain the same. That means we will mention the law and we will write it in step-by-step process. Part 2 is 7 raised to 3, the whole to 4. The powers will get multiplied according to our law. 3 into 4, 3 4s are 12. That can be written as 7 raised to 12. So based on these parts, try to solve part 3, 4, 5, and 6. Just taking a quick round on what will be the answers. Try to solve them step by step as they are mentioned in previous parts. See, here 10 raised to 3, the whole raised to 6 will become 3 into 6, 3 6 are 18. Answer will become 10 raised to 18. In part 4, the powers will get multiplied. 10 into 4 will give 40. So 5 raised to 40 will be the answer. Part 5, 6 raised to 10 into 7. 10 7s are 70. 6 raised to 70 will be your answer. Part 6, 12 raised to 6 into 3. 6 3s are 18. 12 raised to 18 will be the answer for part 6. Part 7 is 8 raised to 4, the whole raised to 9. Using the law a raised to m, the whole raised to n, that is equal to a raised to mn. 8 raised to 4, the whole raised to 9 can be written as 8 raised to 4 into 9. 4 9s are 36. So 8 raised to 36 is the answer. Part 8, 10 raised to 5, the whole raised to 11. Again, the powers will get multiplied. I can write it as 10 raised to 5 into 11. 5 into 11 will give you 55. 10 raised to 55 is the answer. Part 9, 15 to 2, the whole raised to 4. So it will be written as 15 raised to 2 into 4. 2 4s are 8. 15 raised to 8. Part 10, 20 raised to 3, the whole raised to 5. The powers will get multiplied. 3 5s are 15. 20 raised to 15 will be the answer for this part. Question 4, which one is greater? It is based on the same law. A raised to m, the whole raised to n, that is equals to a raised to mn. Law. So in order to find which one is greater among these two given numbers, first we will have to find their values. So we'll find their values separately. Part 1 is 3 raised to 2, the whole raised to 4, or 3 raised to 2 multiplied by 4. Here in 3 raised to 2, the whole raised to 4, we will apply the law in which the powers will get multiplied. 3 raised to 2 into 4. 2 into 4 will become 8. 3 raised to 8 will be written in expanded form, in which 3 will be multiplied by itself 8 times. On multiplication, you will get the answer as 6,561. So this is the value of 3 raised to 2 the whole raised to 4. Now finding the value of the another number that is given, 3 raised to 2 multiplied by 4. In this case, first the bracket value will be found. So 3 raised to 2 can be written in expanded form as 3 into 3 multiplied by 4. So the value of 3 into 3 into 4 will become 36. On comparing, you will find 6,561 is greater than 36. So value of 6,561, the exponential form of it will be greater than the exponential form of 36. Now since 6,561 is greater than 36, therefore 3 raised to 2 the whole raised to 4 is greater than 3 raised to 2 multiplied by 4. Part 2, 5 raised to 3 the whole raised to 2 or 5 raised to 3 multiplied by 2. Finding the values, 5 raised to 3 the whole raised to 2 can be written as 5 raised to 3 into 2 using the given law, where the powers will get multiplied. 3 raised to 2, 3 into 2 will give you 6. 5 raised to 6 can be written in expanded form, where 5 multiplied by 5 6 times. On multiplication, you will get the answer as 14,625. Then the second number, 5 raised to 3 into 2 can be written as 5 raised to 3 will be written as 5 into 5 into 5 3 times multiplied by 2. The value of it is 150. So on comparison, you will find 14,625 is greater than 150. Therefore, the exponential form of it, that is 14,625, will be greater than the exponential form of 150. So 5 raised to 3 the whole raised to 2 is greater than 5 raised to 3 into part 3. 4 raised to 3 the whole raised to 5 or 4 raised to 3 multiplied by 5. Again, solving 4 raised to 3 the whole raised to 5, the powers will get multiplied. 3 into 5 will give you 15. 4 raised to 15, 4 raised to 15 will be written in expanded form and then multiplied. You'll get 107374184 as your answer. And 4 to 3 multiplied by 5 expanded will give you the value as 320. Hence, now since the value of 4 raised to 3 the whole raised to 5 is greater than 3 raised to 20, hence the exponential form 4 raised to 3 the whole raised to 5 is greater than 4 raised to 3 multiplied 5. Try to solve the fourth part by yourself. Question number 5 is, express the following with a single exponent. Now you can see here in first part I have 3 raised to 3 the whole raised to 5 multiplied by 3 raised to 4 the whole raised to 2. यहाँ पर पावर की पावर भी दी हुई है और सेम बेस के मल्टीप्लिकेशन भी दिए हैं. So you can consider, हम यहाँ पर दोनों लॉज लगाएंगे. तो पहले हम सिंगल पावर में रिप्रेजेंट करें. 3 raised to 3 the whole raised to 5, इसमें क्या होगा, पावर विल गेट मल्टीप्लाइड. 3 into 5, 3 5s are 15. Again 3 raised to 4 the whole raised to 2, 4 and 2 will get multiplied. The answer you will get 8. तो हमने इस स्टेप में कौन सा लॉ लगाया, a raised to m the whole raised to n is equal to a raised to mn. Now 3 raised to 15 multiplied by 3 raised to 8. यहाँ बेसिस सेम है और दोनों नंबर का मल्टीप्लीकेशन है, तो आई विल यूज द लॉ a raised to m into a raised to n, that will be equals to a raised to m plus n. जब नंबर्स का मल्टीप्लीकेशन होता है तो हम पावर्स को ऐड करते हैं, तो यहाँ पर 3 raised to, the powers will get added up, 15 plus 8, that will give you 23. So your answer will be 3 raised to 23. Part 2, again 7 raised to 2 the whole raised to 5 multiplied by 7 raised to 3 the whole raised to 6. पहले हम 7 raised to 2 the whole raised to 5 को सिंगल लॉ लगा के सिंगल पावर में लिखें, तो पावर्स ही पहले तो मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएंगे अकॉर्डिंग टू आवर लॉ. 2 into 5 will give you 10. 7 raised to 10. 7 raised to 3 raised to 6. 3 6 that will give you 18. So 7 raised to 10 multiplied by 7 raised to 18. Now you can see the bases are same and the number are to be multiplied. Hence we have applied a law a raised to m into a raised to n, which can be written as a raised to m plus. So I will write it as 7 raised to, the powers will get added up, 10 plus 18 will give you 28. So 7 raised to 28 will be your answer. Try to solve part 3 and 4 by yourself with the same method. Part 5, 9 raised to 2 the whole raised to 3 multiply 9 raised to 3 the whole raised to 4. Again, here 9 raised to 2 the whole raised to 3 will be written as 9 raised to 2 into 3. Law कौन सा लगा? a raised to m the whole raised to n, it is equals to a raised to mn, power multiply हो गए. Similarly 9 raised to 3 the whole raised to 4, इसमें भी पावर्स क्या हो जाएंगे? मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएंगे. मल्टीप्लाई करने पर 2 into 3 will give you 9 raised to 6. यहाँ पर 3 into 4 will give you 12, that is 9 raised to 12. Now the bases are same, numbers multiply हो रहे हैं, इसलिए हम powers को add करेंगे. The law is mentioned in the side. हाइफन लगा के आप law mention कीजिए, तो यहाँ पर powers हो जाएंगे added up. So 6 plus 12 will give you 15. Your answer will become base as it is रहेगा, base में कोई change नहीं आएगा, सिर्फ powers add होंगे. So your answer will be 9 raised to 18. Part 6 is 10 raised to 3 the whole raised to 4 into 10 raised to 5 the whole raised to 3. Now, just doing it quickly without mentioning the laws, I can write it as 10 raised to 3 into 4, 12, 10 raised to 12. 10 raised to 5 the whole raised to 3, power will get multiplied, 5 3s are 15, 10 raised to 15. Now you can see bases are same, numbers are to be multiplied, इसलिए हम पावर को क्या करेंगे? ऐड करेंगे. बेस एज इट इज रहेगा, 12 plus 15 will give you 27. Hence your answer is 10 raised to 27. Part 7. Now instead of 2 numbers, here we have been given 3 numbers. 2 raised to 4 the whole raised to 3 multiplied by 2 raised to 3 the whole raised to 2 multiplied by 2 raised to 2 the whole raised to 4. Applying our third law, a raised to m the whole raised to n, that is equals to a raised to mn. हम सिर्फ पावर्स को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, बेसिस को एज इट इज लिखेंगे. तो 2 raised to 4 the whole raised to 3, 4 into 3 मेंशन कीजिए, 4 3s are 12. The base 2 will remain as it is. Multiplied by 2 raised to 3 the whole raised to 2. 2 raised to 3 into 2, powers multiply हो गए. 3 2s are 6. The answer is 2 raised to 6. Again 2 raised to 2 the whole raised to 4. यहाँ पर powers 2 into 4 हो जाएंगे, multiply हो जाएंगे. 2 4s are 8. Base 2 as it is रहा. Now you can see the bases are same, the numbers are to be multiplied. तीनों नंबर को मल्टीप्लाई करना है, तो हम लॉ लगा रहे हैं फर्स्ट वाला, जिसमें बेसिस सेम होते हैं और नंबर मल्टीप्लाई होते हैं, तो पावर्स को हम ऐड कर देते हैं. So I can replace it and write it as 2 raised to 12 plus 6 plus 8. Here I have mentioned the law also. So 12 plus 6 will give you 18. 18 plus 8 will give you 26. So your answer will become 2 raised to 26. Kindly see that it is written by mistake 12 raised to 26. The answer will be 2 raised to 26. Part 8, take it as a homework and try to solve it as part 7. So just taking a quick solution of it, 3 raised to 2 the whole raised to 3 will become 2 3s are 6. Here 3 raised to 3 into 2 will become 3 2s are 6. Remember 3 raised to 6, 3 raised to 6. Here 3 raised to 4 into 3 will give you 12. बेसिस तीनों के सेम है. यहाँ पर पावर 6 बना, यहाँ पर पावर बना, यहाँ पर पावर 12 बना है. तो हम फर्स्ट लॉ लगाएंगे. बेसिस सेम है, नंबर्स मल्टीप्लिकेशन में है, तो हम केवल पावर को एड अप करेंगे. So your power 6 plus 6 12 plus 12 will give you 24. So the answer for part 8 will be 3 raised to 24. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching.